What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? So I got some new appliance for the kitchen. Yeah, and you know what I mean. I'm a This one you could make rice. You know what I'm saying? You can make porridge. You can make whatever in this one. You know what I mean? So first I'm gonna try it out with some porridge, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna make some porridge. You can steam. Got a steam tray right there. You know what I mean? Steam vent. Everything is right there. You know what I'm saying? That you could use the pot for. So it's showing you what it have. You know what I mean? So you could cook like rice up in there. Could do a little soup. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. There's a pot. So there it is. Also, I got me a boiler for my water. I like drink my tea, so you know what I'm saying? Got something quick. Cause I be using the stove. You can see I got my tea over there. And the stove right there. Yeah, I got some ginger and garlic up in there. But this one, I don't know if I could. Yeah, I might could put ginger and all of that up in this too, but right now, there it go. And I already plug in the one for the water up there, so I'm about to load this up real quick with some water and see how long it's gonna take to boil. Cause I ain't tried this yet. I was just rinsing it out. So you know, I'm gonna fill it up right now with some water and see how long it's gonna take to boil it up. See what it do. So here we go. Put in the water to the max right there. You know what I'm saying? Get the water to the max. Yep. No more. Hold up. Stop. Okay. So we gotta have to take out some of this water. So we got it at the max right there. Okay. We're gonna put it on right now and see how long it takes to boil. So I just put it on it. Let's see how you turn it on. Let's see. I don't see no buttons and all that. So I see this thing sticking out right here. I guess this is what. Okay, yeah, there it is. So let's see how long it's gonna take to start boiling. Alright? Keep watching, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know. Your boy's here again in the kitchen, man. Yeah, we're gonna see how long this thing right here take to boil. You see the water in there like going crazy in the picture. So I wanna see if we're gonna get that. You know what I'm saying? Right there. Okay, let's go. So we actually got like 1 minute in. You could say like a minute in already. Or say like 40 something second, 45 seconds to a minute. Well, let's just say we got a minute in already, alright? Okay. 1 minute, 20 seconds. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Let's go. Let's see what it do. Now I can see the water changing color. I can see something moving up in there. Damn. So they take 1 minute and 39, 1 minute and 42 seconds to start boil. Damn, this thing is quick. Okay. So it start making progress already. Let's see what it do. It's gonna look like that one. Going crazy. So we got in 2 minutes, 7 seconds. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Let's see what it do. Go real close to it. Yeah. Doing the dough. Yeah, man. So I just got these from Targets, you know. And as I say, man, I love my tea, so gotta make sure I got something real quick that I could just make my tea. Simple. No fire, none of that. Know what I mean? Just put it on. I don't know if when it boiled, when it's really hot, if it make noise or whatnot, or you just gotta come and turn it off. But let's see. It's going crazy up in there. It's moving. You can see. It's moving up in there, but it's not going crazy as this one is yet. Yeah, you're getting a little thing right now. Moving a little bit. Guess it's gonna take time. So now we're in 3 minutes. You could say 3 minutes right now. Well, I guess the water is hot. I guess the water is hot right now. It's just not as crazy as this one. But you can see that the water color has changed. It got crystallized. It got clear. Also, it's moving up in there, so I can hear a little sound right now. Yeah, I can hear a little boiling sound. So I know it started to getting crazy. Cause now I can hear noise. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but it's getting crazy up in there, I guess. Yeah, man. Keep watching. Let's see. Should I turn it off now? A little more. Nah, I want to see it look like this one. So I think I should let it stay. Yeah, man. Welcome to Scorpion ENT. We here in the kitchen. Next time y'all gonna see me cooking the chicken. Well, in the summertime, I'm gonna be in the grill though, for sure. I'm gonna be grilling it up. Oh, man, it's gonna be crazy. Now it's you can see bubbles on the inside of the glass. You see a little fine bubbles stuck in the glass. So I guess it's getting really hot right now. Okay? Let me feel it. Oh shit, yeah. That shit is hot. Yeah. Yeah, man, that shit is hot, boy. Shit. This part is not hot. But right here. Oh, man. Ooh, wee. Yeah, it's hot up in there. Shit. It's not looking like that, right? I don't know why it's not looking like that, but give it some more time and see what's up. I think we're in like 5 minutes now, I think. We're in like 5 minutes now, I think. I don't know if I got the right one, man. Is this 5 minutes, I think? I don't know if I got the right one. There's probably some of them heat up faster. I don't know. We're in like 5 minutes now, though. Now the glasses started to clear up. All them bubbles started to come off. So I guess it's going crazy. It's getting crazy up in there. I see the bubbles that started floating off. Started to go to the top now. Yeah, now the top is doing something. Let me see what's the top doing. Yeah, the top is bubbles forming up in the top right now. I know it's about to get crazy, I guess. Yeah, it's about to get crazy now. Yeah, come on. Look at that. Now it started to looking like this joint. You feel me? Yeah, now it started to looking like that joint now. Come on, let's go. So I guess we're in like 6 minutes. Okay. 6 minutes. I think like 5 minutes. 6 minutes, not too bad, I guess. Okay, 5-6 minutes, I guess, not too bad. Okay, it's going crazy now. So yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just like that one. It's crazy up in there. Okay, we out.